Hi, I'll just share some tips on how to use the DIY Ang Pao template na shinare ko. So I've got two templates. The first one is for this design layout na nasa screen ngayon. Obviously, that's for the actual design ng Ang Pao na makikita dun sa likod. And the other template is yung kung paano siya ilalapat sa bond paper. So, since it's a long bond paper, napagkasya natin yung dalawang Ang Pao. So I have two designs here already prepared. I will just have to download it. Make sure it's in a PNG or JPG format. Okay. And then, punta tayo sa other template na sinasabi ko. So, this is 8.5 by 13 inches. Save lang natin yung design and select and drag. Okay. So, ito na yung dalawang designs. Drop and drag na lang yan. Ganun kadali. Now, just in case you'd like to change the color of your ang pao, we can also do that. Punta lang tayo sa elements, select a square. That's the best shape to use, I should say. So, select a color. Halimbawa, gusto kong same color with this first design. So, sakupin lang natin yung part ng ang pao na yon, and let's put it on the back of the template. There you go. We can copy and paste the shape, maybe change the color for the other one. There you go. Then change the position at the very back. Okay. So just in case you'd like to, change your mind, change the color, or remove it at all, you can just click, hold, and release to select the shape at the back. There it is. You can delete that, assume it on the other one, or change the color. See, if you want to do it for both, you can simply, occupy the whole template and change the color or delete it. Okay, there you go. If you want to change the design, you can detach the image and attach a new one. So that's it. Have a happy holidays.